Let's look at question number 10 of the applied paper, which is the statistics question. Right. Marks A, B, C, D obtained by 4 students are in ascending order. So that means this is the order of the numbers. A is less than B, B is less than C, C is less than D. Right. Where A, B, C, D are positive integers. Positive. Mean of the marks is 37. What does that mean? A plus B plus C plus D equal over 4 is equal to 37, or we can write it as A plus B plus C plus D equals what is 148. Then mean of the top 3 marks is 39. Top 3 marks are what? B, C, D. So B plus C plus D over 3 is 39, or B plus C plus D is equal to 170. Then the range of the marks is 15. Range is what? D minus A. So D minus A is 15. Right. We have these three. Then find the mean of the least 3 marks. So we need to find what? A plus B plus C over 3. That is what we need to find first. Find the mean of the least 3 marks. Right. Let's look at what we have. Right. Using 1 and 2, we can easily find A. 1 minus 2, B plus C plus D cancels. No? So A equals what? 31. So we found A. Then substitute A into third one. So you get what? D is equal to what? 46. Right. A and D we know. We need B plus C. Right. So then using second one, sub 46 into the second one. You get what? B plus C equals 117 minus 46, 71. So then we can find what? The mean of the least 3 marks. So A is 31, B plus C is 71. So then we can write this expression as what? 31 plus 71 divided by 3, 102 over 3, 34. So mean of the least 3 marks is 34. Then this one, if the mean deviation of the distribution is 5, then find B and C. Right. Mean deviation is what? Mean deviation is what? All the terms you have to subtract the mean form and take the absolute value and divide by the number of terms. That's called the mean deviation. Each term is you get each value and subtract the mean, then take the absolute value of those and add all of them. You do it to each term, each row data, then divide by the number of data points. So that gives you mean deviation. So this is 5 for this question. Now we know what? A minus mean is 37. Mean is 37. A we have found. So 31 minus 37 plus B we don't know, minus 37 absolute value. C we don't know, C minus 37 plus D we have found, which is 46 minus 37. All of this is divided by the number of terms, which is 4. So multiply the 4 to this side, you get 20. This is 6. This plus C minus 37 absolute value. This is 9. Right. So then we have what? B minus 37 absolute value plus C minus 37 absolute value is equal to 5. Right. And now remember, B plus C is 71. We found that using here we have found that in equation 4. So then C is equal to what? 71 minus B. So I will replace that here. B minus 37 absolute value. This one becomes 71 minus B minus 37. Right. So then B minus 37 absolute value plus 34 minus B equal to 5. Right. Okay. So right. Now you can either solve them using absolute value theory, or this one you can just plug in numbers and get the answer, because we already know this relationship. No? A is 31, so B has to be greater than 31, no? And less than 46. So try some values. Check 32. Will that work? Let's take B to be 32. Will that work? No, no. 5 plus 2, which is 7. No? So that doesn't work. B equals 32 doesn't work. Try B equals 33 then. 33 minus 37 absolute value plus 34 minus 33. This works, no? You get 4 here, you get 1 here, so that is equal to 5. So then B has to be 33. B is 33. Then C is what? 71 minus B, no? So C is 38. Right. So that's the answer for question number 10. Right. This one you can do without plugging the numbers using absolute value theory, but it will take a little bit of time, because you have to go through all the cases. This has to be positive, this has to be positive, one case. This is positive, this is negative, one case. This is negative, this is positive, the other case. So you have to go through 3 cases. Rather than going through that, it's easier to just substitute some values and get the answer here. Right. Okay, then next we'll do the essay questions.